Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali Mota back here again with another video for you guys, and welcome if you are new here. Welcome to Stylemas Day 2. I'm super excited because today we are going to be doing the queen herself, J-Lo. Literally, she is a goddess. She is the glowing queen, and I'm really excited because she was popping back then and she's still popping because her fame just never left her, and that's period. So I'm super excited. I picked an outfit that was more from like her 2000 era, and mine wasn't as like glitzy as her. It wasn't as much like bedazzled, but honestly I love the outfit that I picked out for this specific thing. And yeah, I'm going to be recreating this look, and I'm so excited, guys. So fun fact also, if the lighting changes at a certain point in the video, I apologize. Honestly, it's because the first time that I filmed the first half of this video, my camera was out of focus, and I did not want to post that because it was literally irritating me as I was watching it and editing, and I was like, no, I'm not posting this. So it's all about quality over quantity here, baby. So that's why the lighting might change a little bit, so just so you guys know. And yeah, but if you guys are excited to see this transformation, because honestly this was one of my favorite transformations, to be honest. If you guys are excited to see this transformation, then just keep on watching and let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to be starting, I just put my hair back and I'm going to be starting off with my face makeup. So yeah, I already went ahead and did like my skincare stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Laura Mercier powder. I'm really just doing my regular prepping routine, and I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define spray, and don't mind my ugly face that I make. Then I'm using the e.l.f. tone adjusting primer and putting that all over my face. Go ahead and fill in my eyebrows a little bit because, you know, I feel like back then, I'm not going to fill in too much, just like in the sparse spots because I have a couple of those. But what was I saying? Oh, I'm not going to fill in too much because I feel like back then, like what was really in style was like the thin brow. Now it's like I'm thankful that like the thick brows is coming back in style, to be honest, just because I feel like I have really thick brows. And well, I used to have thicker brows, to be honest, but then, you know, I decided to get them done and that didn't work out. It just made them keep getting thinner and thinner. But I'm just filling them in a little bit because like right here, this one spot, this lighting is like irritating, you guys. Alright, that's better. Sorry. As a content creator, lighting is literally everything, and like the lighting is like coming in and out because like kind of cloudy but like kind of sunny. But anyways, so this is the ABH brow gel, but the name scratched off. I basically brush my eyebrow hairs all the way up, and then I go to the side so that they're not really bushy, and then that's basically all I do for my eyebrows. And of course I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow foundation and applying that an even layer on my skin, very full coverage for this look, and then just blending it all out. Then I'm taking this Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer and putting it all over my lids. Usually I use concealer, but today I decided to, you know, be a little different, to say the least. Light shade in the Kat Von D palette, and just, you know, make sure it's primed and set in place. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Medium Tan Neutral. And I'm gonna put it underneath my eyebrows before I go in with eyeshadow, just because I feel like if I clean my eyebrows up after my eyeshadow, I'm like scared that I'm gonna mess up my eyeshadow, and like, you know, we don't want that, sis. So for the eyeshadow, I'm taking the Born This Way Too Faced palette in the shade Nude and Sandstone, and I'm basically just putting that all over my crease and basically just blending upward so that when I put the winged eyeshadow on, it looks very winged. And then I'm taking the black shade in the Soft Glam palette and basically forming that eyeliner out of just simply the eyeshadow. I didn't use actual eyeliner in this look. When using the black shadow, it can get a little messy. Just make sure you pack it on and then blend it outward with the blending side of the brush, and then just try to clean it up with a whiter shade or concealer or however you really want. I'll take this on a rounded tip brush. I'm gonna try to clean this a little look that I'm recreating actually had a lot of shimmer, so I'm trying to clean it up with the shimmer. You can go ahead with concealer and then go in with the shimmer, but it wasn't too bad for me in my opinion. So I did that, and then I also go into my inner corner with the inner core brush, like I like to call it, and put the highlighter in there as well. I'm gonna leave the eyes like this. I feel like I'm not too much of a fan right now, but I feel like a lot of times when I do my eyeshadow and then I do my full face and like put lash on and everything, then I start to like it all together. So we're gonna hope that that's like what happens here, because right now it's not that cute for me. But let's move on. Don't give too much detail on my face makeup because the same thing. I'm going in with Titanium concealer and I'm putting it under my eyes to cover them bags. See, like just with the concealer, I already like the eye look a little better. I'm saying, ladies, if you don't like the process, just keep going and moving on, because eventually you will like it. Like right now, I'm like, okay, I see what we're working with right now. And then you guessed it, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm putting that all under my eyes as well to make sure that it sets in place. And I'm also carving out my face to go in with the contour. We're going to contour my face because, you know, snatched up right here. In case you didn't know, I'm using the Kat Von D contour palette to obviously contour my face, and I also do a little bit of contour on my nose. And then I take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and bronze my face just because I feel like you can never go wrong with bronzer. Then I'm also taking the Milani blush in the shade Coral Cove and basically just blending that upward. Upward, like just like hers, and kind of follow the line on top of my bronzer slash contour salon. Then I'm using this Smashbox eyeliner to tightline my waterline and basically just smoke it out a little bit because, you know, it's kind of like a smoky eye effect, but like a wing liner type of thing, and you know, it's just fire. And then I also clean it up a little bit with my Tarte Chip Concealer just so that it's very like clean and like sharp. I'm gonna take this, my highlighter brush, where shall it be, and this, and get that J.Lo look. The highlight that I'm using is actually the Ofra x Madison Miller collab highlighter, and honestly for the J.Lo look you gotta look like dewy as heck, and I'm here for it. This is darker than her look, to be honest, but you know what, it's okay. We're gonna accept it like that. But I also did take the black shade from the Soft Glam palette and try to smoke it out underneath my lash line, obviously, just to, you know, have a little sharp effect there. Lip combo, I used the MAC lipstick in the shade Persistent just to basically like overline my lips a little bit because I didn't have a lip liner. And then for the gloss, I used the iconic London Lip Plumper in the shade Nearly Nude, and I literally love this combo. Damn, bro, I feel like my inner J.Lo is coming out, and I'm fucking here for it. I'm fucking here for it, bro. I call my boyfriend and tell him that he needs to take me out because I look like J.Lo right now. Here for it. I have a mirror right here and right here, and I'm like, do y'all see that glow? See that J.Lo glow? That J.Lo glow? I did this. Okay, I'm not even done with my freaking face. I always like get up to this part and then I'm like, okay, like I think I look such a bad bitch right now. So we're gonna put some highlight on my nose. Not gonna lie, I really went ham with the highlighter because I already had hella highlight on and I put even more, but honestly I blended it out and it looked pretty good afterwards in my opinion. I'm still Jenny from the block. I like to use this on my lower lashes because, you know, it's like so, like the brush is like just so skinny, and then I use it on my top one so that it gets each individual one, so it gives me like that like length that I want. Now that I just put the mascara that I showed you guys, I'm gonna go in with the Better Than Sex, and then I'm gonna put the lash line, and I'll be back to you guys so that we can move on. They're by MAC, and they are probably one of my favorite like natural lashes because like it doesn't look like when I put these on, you're gonna see that it doesn't look like I have like dramatic lashes on. Alright guys, so I just finished my makeup and I put lashes on. This is what I was talking about. Lashes look very natural and I'm fucking here for it. Now we're gonna try to do my hair, and I'm not very good at hair, so please don't judge me. I shouldn't have even shown you guys this part because you guys probably are gonna judge me because I suck at hair. And I'm gonna leave like 2 strands. It's gonna be like a knockoff version of her hair, you know? I'm sure her hairstylists knew what they were doing. What I did is take the 2 strands and leave them at the front of my head. Then I try to split it evenly in half and down the middle of my head, and I basically just tied up one side and leave that half up, half down, and then tied up the other side. Just try to make sure that it's even on both sides so that you don't have one ponytail higher than the other. And then yeah, just collect all the hair so that nothing gets really caught up, because I hate when I don't tie it correctly and then there's like hair from the bottom, and then taking the ponytail off is like such a pain, literally. And yeah, then I tie it up, try to get it as perfect as I can, and try to lay your excess hairs down as well. After I lay all my hairs down, I basically just take my curling wand and curl all around my head. I start off with the 2 front pieces that I have, and then I start off with the ponytails, and the last thing that I do is the excess hair that's underneath my ponytails. When I finish curling, I fluff it all out to loosen up the curls. Alright guys, so I just finished the hair, and this is the best that it's gonna get because I literally suck at hair, and that's just bad. But I'm not like terribly mad at it because it looks good on camera, and you know, that's what's important because I'm not going out anyways. But yeah, it's definitely like the Walmart version of her hair, but like we knew this already. I'm really happy with the makeup though, and now I'm gonna show you guys the outfit, so let's go and do that. So this is the outfit, guys. Like I said, it's a little bit more basic than hers. I didn't have the jewel pants, but I definitely have the jewels in this top right here. Hers says J.Lo and mine says Cosmic. I added a little bit of my own touch to it because I'm all about the shoulder bags right now. And then I added my Air Forces, classic Air Forces, because I couldn't see the shoes that she was wearing, but it goes with the fit. And then I got the leather pants. Hers had glitter on it, mine are not. Mine's just like leather joggers, and it's very cute, so I'm very excited. And let's just jump right into the fit.
Hey, yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? Yeah. She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang, girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger. You out here dressing a kid with it. Way you breaking up next, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girls on sight, and she know that she a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that?
Alright my loves, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This so far has been one of my favorite videos. I know it's only day 2 for you guys, but I've been kind of filming out of order of the way that I'm actually uploading them. So right now, I've only filmed 3 videos, but right now, this is my favorite one so far. I feel like this is such a vibe. Like, I feel like such a baddie. Like, J.Lo, is that you? Look at that glow. Okay, enough of me. If you guys like this, you guys make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the little bell icon down there to get notified every single time I post, especially throughout this month, because I'm going to be doing a lot more type of videos like this, and I feel like I picked such amazing artists and TV shows and like style to trends to like bring to you guys. So definitely stay tuned. A lot of exciting things to come this month. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.